Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel, Intentionality. I want to appreciate everyone on this channel and to everyone who followed me on my other channel, The Excellency of Knowledge. I truly appreciate you. It's unfortunate I don't have access to that account anymore. But hey, we cannot waste time because I believe it takes determination to achieve your goals. So on this new channel, Intentionality, I'm going to focus on 6 areas which the Lord gave me, and these areas are the principal areas of every human being. That everything that we do in life is centered around these 6 areas. So I'm going to share a bit on these 6 areas, and then this is going to be my focus for this channel. So these 6 areas are: number 1, your spiritual life. Everything in your life will fail when your spiritual life goes wrong, because this is an area that almost every religion believe that everything we see physical was first established in the realm of the spirit before it find expression. So if your spiritual life goes wrong, everything in your life will also go wrong. So on this channel, I'm going to talk about our spiritual life and then our spiritual growth. Number 2, mental transformation. That your philosophies and your paradigms is what creates whatever you see in your physical realm. The Bible says in Romans chapter 12 how that we should be transformed by the renewal of our mind. So until we renew our mind to sustain superior belief systems, we cannot produce certain dimensions of results. So to be transformed simply means to sustain superior belief systems. So remember that as you think, so are you. The Bible says, as a man thinketh, so he is he. That means your thoughts are your realities. So on this channel, I'm going to also focus on our mental transformation and development. Number 3, your health and physical well-being. Do you know why we are supposed to stay healthy? It's simply because our body is the only authorized platform that we have to be able to live in this earth realm. That if your body deteriorates below a certain threshold, your spirit man has to leave. There's a requisite health that this body needs for our spirit to coexist. So the moment your body deteriorates below that health threshold, your spirit man has to leave, and we call it in an event death. So it's our responsibility to take good care of this body, our health and physical well-being. So on this channel, I'm going to focus also on this area, our health and then physical well-being. Number 4, your purpose and destiny. In the book of Jeremiah, the Lord appeared to Jeremiah and told him that before you were formed in your mother's womb, I knew thee and have ordained you to be a prophet. So everyone has a purpose. Everyone has been ordained unto a specific task. But it's unfortunate that many people don't know the reason why they are living. So they are just living anyhow based on whatever they feel that they should do. So they are living based on their emotions. Many years ago, I listened to Steve Harvey, and then he said something which really, inspired me. How that at school, his teacher asked him, what do you want to become in life? And he had this instinct that he wants to be on television. So his teacher was stigmatizing him, how that he doesn't have a vision and then he doesn't know what he wants to become. But this was the instinct that he was sensing. So he always says that there's something God has placed within you, how that there's a gift within you, there's an ability. So you have to discover it, develop it, and then deploy it. And truly today we all see this great man Steve Harvey, how that he didn't give up on what was inside of him, his gift, his abilities, because for you to be able to discover your purpose and destiny, you also have to identify your gift. So on this channel, I'll be focusing and I'll be giving you tips on how to identify your purpose and destiny. Number 5, wealth and abundance. How that there are laws that governs wealth and abundance, and until you pay the price to learn these laws, you'll be surprised that money cannot stay in your hands, because for you to be able to attain wealth, you have to learn the laws that governs it. And many times people have neglected these laws to their own detriment. So on this channel, I'll be focusing on wealth and abundance also. The last, which is number 6, is relationship and family. That relationship are advantageous connections. Your family is one of the most important things that you have, but many times people don't know how to maintain relationship and then to receive the blessing in it. So in this channel also, I'll be focusing on matters on relationship and family. So this is what this channel is going to focus on, these 6 areas, because I believe that everything we do as human beings is centered on these 6 areas. So stay tuned to this channel. Do well to subscribe, share with families and friends, and watch out for more videos. Thank you so much. This is my introduction video, and there's more that we will do. God bless you, and I appreciate you.